Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I know it's been a very long while you saw my face like in real time. And you must probably be wondering why I'm smiling every time I do like a face video. It's because I'm always so excited to see you guys and look into my camera and talk to you guys like you guys are here. So let's just get right into the video for today. So in accordance with Influencers September mission for the year, I'll be doing some unboxing and reviewing of some skincare products that I got from the Korean Cultural Center as a gift. So if you haven't seen my previous video where I attended an event, go watch that video and then come back to this one. Okay. So this is it. This was the package I won. So inside I have this. So this is it. This was the little gift, but not so little gift I won from the event. So in this little cute package, I have the toner and the lotion. Yes. So let me just get right into the unboxing. Here it is. Ta-da! So this is the Tokto toner. Yeah, you can see here there's like a little sun, a little mountain here. And this is the lotion, the face lotion from the brand. So the brand is called Round Lab. This is the brand that made this cute skincare item. Yes, so I'm really very excited because there was a previous event that the Korean Cultural Center hosted, but I wasn't able to attend because I was very busy, so I couldn't attend. And they shared these skincare products, and I was so sad I missed it out. I thought I could never get these items again, but here we are. Because I went for an event, I got these two beauties. So I'm going to be trying them out. Yeah, I'm going to be trying out these two lotions. So let's just go get my face ready and get my hair out of the way so we can apply this. Let's get the review going. Okay, so I'm back. I have washed my face and gotten my hair out of the way. So I'm going to be trying these two products. I'm going to be trying them and I'll give you my honest, sincere review. So I think the first thing I'm supposed to be trying out is the toner. Yes, I'll be trying out the toner first. Then when that sits into my face, I will try out the lotion, the facial lotion. So this is for the toner and I'll do the same thing for the lotion. So unsealing is done. Let's try out the toner first. I love everything made in Korea. Clean hands, open bottle. There, let's go. I don't know how many drops I'm supposed to take though. Something works. It's like water. So that's dried in. Let's give it some like a few seconds to dry in well. So that's dried in. Let's try out the lotion. Time for the moisturizing lotion. Smooth. Nice. So this is it. I would leave it on for some like few minutes and come back and give you my final review on them. So guys, I'm back and it's been like 2 minutes. I left to go, check how I feel with these new skincare products on my face. If I'm being honest, I really love them. Yes, I have no complaints whatsoever. Round Lab really did a good job on these two products. Yes, they did. The toner actually, it's just like water. Yes, it's just like when you pour water in your face and you dry it off. Yes, with your palms. It just sits into your face and you still feel your skin like your normal self. And the moisturizer, the lotion, it's at the beginning when you like apply it, it's kind of like heavy. It's not really heavy, but it just gives you this moisturizing feeling. And then when you massage it into your face, just ends up like the lotion. So you don't feel sweaty, you don't feel any kind of heaviness on your face. I can tell you for a fact that these are actually nice. These are actually nice. And for the fact they're like Korean skincare products, because they're high excited I love Korean skincare products. So trying to like build a collection here where I get to try different Korean brands. So this is definitely a brand you should add to your collection. Yes, if you could get your hands on these, they are very nice and they are very light on your face. So as you can see, I don't have any sort of sweaty face or any caked face with skincare. Yeah, it all sits in. So I'm so excited and I'm glad I finally get to have these products because I've been wanting them for a long time. Yeah. So if you can get your hands on these, I would really, really recommend you use them because I feel this for all skin types. These are very good. These are very nice. This is just like a first time review of how it feels on my skin. So definitely if I keep using this product, I'll keep you guys updated. But for now, these are marvelous. They are very, very nice. I love them. And I'm so grateful to the Korean Cultural Center for gifting me these without having to purchase them because getting Korean skincare products in this country is very expensive. So I love free items. I love free stuff. You can't blame me. So yeah, that's my review on Round Labs Top Toe Lotion and Top Toe Toner. So until next time when I come to give you a full review on how my face has been, stay cute and stay beautiful. Annyeong!